In today's world, relying only on the money you earn from working is risky. The traditional 9-to-5 job can be stressful and uncertain. It's like balancing on a tightrope, where every step you take is filled with anxiety and fear of falling. One wrong step, and your finances could be in trouble. An unexpected expense or job loss can throw everything off balance. Passive income is like a safety net. It catches you when you fall and provides a cushion against financial shocks. It helps you feel secure and sleep well at night, knowing that you have a steady stream of income. Imagine waking up and money is coming in, even while you're asleep. This is the dream of financial freedom. That's how powerful passive income is. It allows your wealth to grow without constant effort. It's about building wealth even when you're not working. Your money works for you, creating more opportunities. These days, building passive income isn't a nice extra. It's something you really need. It's essential for financial stability. It's about taking charge of your money and building a life where you're free and have plenty. Financial independence is the goal. When the economy feels shaky, passive income is your ticket to feeling safe and secure. It provides peace of mind. It means money works for you, not the other way around. Embrace the power of passive income and transform your financial future. But before we continue, please do me a favor and subscribe, like and comment below. Thanks. OnPassive isn't just another website. It's a whole new way to think about passive income, revolutionizing the concept entirely. Imagine a system that uses the power of artificial intelligence, or AI, to do the hard work for you. That's OnPassive. It's like having your own team of AI helpers working all the time to make you money effortlessly. This isn't about getting rich quickly or overnight. This is about using clever technology to build passive income that lasts for the long term. OnPassive is your partner on this journey, giving you the tools, information, and help you need to do well and succeed. What makes OnPassive different is how it uses the power of artificial intelligence effectively. The internet is full of information, and OnPassive's AI is like your smart helper, always ready to assist. It looks at the information, spots what's important, and does tasks automatically so you can focus on what matters most, growing your business efficiently. Imagine having a whole team of marketing whizzes working 24/7 to bring people to your website. That's what OnPassive's AI-powered marketing can do. From sending emails to managing social media, OnPassive's AI handles the boring stuff so you can see the bigger picture and plan your next move. Section 4. OnPassive Ecosystem, OES, your key to success online. The OnPassive Ecosystem, or OES, is your one-stop shop for everything you need for your online business. Imagine having all the tools you need in one place designed to work seamlessly together. It's a whole bunch of AI-powered tools designed to make your business run smoothly and help you earn more. These tools are crafted to save you time and effort, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, growing your business. Whether you're a business pro or just starting out, the OES gives you what you need to do well online. From marketing to management, every aspect of your business is covered. Need help with email marketing? OMail is there for you. It simplifies the process, making it easy to reach your audience effectively. Want to build a strong website? ONet is the answer. It offers user-friendly tools to create a professional online presence without needing advanced technical skills. With the OES, you're not just getting separate tools, you're getting a whole system that works together perfectly. This integrated approach ensures that all your business needs are met efficiently and effectively. Section 5. Joining the OnPassive revolution, your journey to financial freedom. This is not just another opportunity, it's a movement that is reshaping the way we think about earning and living. It's time to stop thinking in the old ways. The traditional methods of earning are becoming obsolete, and it's crucial to adapt to the new era. The world is changing, and so is how we make money. Technology is advancing rapidly, and with it new opportunities are emerging every day. OnPassive is leading this change, offering a totally new way to think about passive income. Imagine a system that works for you, even when you're not working. This is your chance to be part of something big, something that can change your life. Imagine the freedom to pursue your passions without financial constraints. Start your journey to financial freedom. Take the first step towards a future where your income is not tied to your time. Visit the OnPassive website today and see what's possible. Explore the tools and resources designed to help you succeed in this new financial landscape. The future of passive income is here, and it's waiting for you. Embrace the change and take control of your financial destiny. Don't just dream of financial freedom, make it happen with OnPassive. Your future is in your hands, and the possibilities are endless. For more information about OnPassive, please go to the description below. Thank you and have a great day.